And here we have it, guys. This is the completed floor frame system right here with our joists in place. So if you watched the time-lapse video, I showed you two different methods of installing these. If you're remote, I showed you how to use the glue gun, a little bit of glue gun on the sill plate, and I set them in place. And if you're in class, you'll have access to the nail gun, and you could see I put one nail in the face of the rim joist going all the way along my other end of this, okay? And this is the finished product right here. I tilt this up, you get a good look at that, and they're nicely in place. I could go along with some sandpaper, make sure all these are nice and flush with my rim joists, and then I can move on to my next stage, which is subfloor. There's one thing I didn't show you in the video, and that is to nail down each one of these joists to the beam, okay? And that would mean getting a nail. I used 1-inch nails here. You need one slightly longer to go through the top of the joist and nail it through to the beam. If you're at home, you could just get a little bit of glue in there and you'd be able to glue that down. You could get the glue gun through the side just to hold it in place, okay? And that's our finished article. I used my glue gun and I used my nail gun, specifically my cordless nail gun. It's an 18 gauge cordless brad nailer, and this thing's awesome, guys. Just goes off battery power, so it's pretty nice and convenient. I don't know if you saw, but before I installed them, I laid them in place and got them ready. So as I was using my glue gun, it was just a quick glue, stick it in place and move along as I went with it. I quickly found the system that worked for me, and I just adapted it to how I like to work, okay? You figure out a way yourself that you'd like to do it, by all means do it, as long as it's safe, okay? And we are ready for our subfloor at this stage, which is going to be the stage 11 of your model house project. Have fun with this, guys. Stay safe with it. If you have any questions, you know where I am. I'll see you in the next stage.